Hi, I'm Daehyun Kim. Today I want to talk about home energy audit of DSARI project for BB class of UFM. Here's a little background. In the lab graph, it shows the energy consumption by energy source in the US. And it shows that the petroleum and natural gas takes a lot of portion regarding the source. From the figure from the right side, most of the petroleum are used for transportation, and natural gas and coal are used mostly for the electricity power. Today I want to talk about the electricity power, especially for my home. As you can see in the left side, the energy consumption has been increased annually, and most for the residential energy, most of the sources are from space cooling, water heating, and all other uses. All other uses meaning includes washing machines, dryers, and nets, ion TV, PS4, and all other items listed in the pie chart on the right side. And I want to talk a little bit more about the phantom power. Phantom power is a power that uses when it's not on, such as PS4 and TV. They are waiting for you to turn on all the time. So for the measurement, how can we measure the electricity usage? Do we use multimeter? No, multimeter is for like a more professional current measurements or voltage or like resistance. We are gonna use a kilowatt meter. So here's a picture of me holding the kilowatt meter. It can measure watt usage at the current time I'm using the device. So with those with those watts, we can calculate the kilowatt hour using the equation above. So there are a list of my measurements. I divided by daily usage, weekly usage, and the phantom power. And based on those data, I made a chart. Made a table with this. It's kind of hard to see which takes a lot of portions, so I made a pie chart with that. As you can see, refrigerator takes most of my electricity usage, and laptop charge, laundry dryer also takes a lot of portion. Well, I always plug in the charge for my laptop, so I think that's why my laptop charger takes a lot of portion of it. Here's a comparison. So based on the table here, I added every kilowatt hour for total energy, and it gives me 190.6 kilowatt hour per month. Well, I have 3 other roommates, so if I subtract the refrigerator, we are all using the same refrigerator. So if I subtract the refrigerator from my total and then multiplies by 4 and then plus the refrigerator, it gives me 438.3 kilowatt hours. And here's the picture of my bill. As you can see, my total energy usage from February 10th to March 12th was 327 kilowatt hours. This is a little bit more than 438.3, which means that I'm using more energy than my roommates. So here's the conclusion. Yeah, obviously I'm using more electricity than my roommates, and kilowatt hours is a convenient device to measure the electricity usage. I kind of forgot to talk about this, but for PS4 it was kind of weird because when I'm measuring and when I'm playing more graphically heavy games, it takes more energy, and such as like PUBG or something like that. And also we don't have to forget the phantom power when we're measuring the electricity, because it's actually a lot of energy. And also a device related to thermal like dryer or hair dryer takes a lot of energy. Thank you for watching the video.